In this video, I'm going to show you how to get voice chat in Roblox. First, go to the main page and then go to the top right, click on the settings. And here, you want to make sure you add a phone number and verify it. And you have to also add an email and verify it. And down here somewhere, it will show like age verification. So you need to complete that as well. So verify your age, and I think you might also have to like put on your ID to verify with ID, so do that as well. So after you do this, you can go to privacy and content restriction and then communication. Over here you might see a button that says voice chat. So if you do, you can just click on it and click enable. But if you don't, like me here, it says voice data usage, then you have to click on experience chat, and here you want to make sure you enable experience chat. You also make sure you enable direct chat as well. And now after you do this, I'm gonna show you how you can enable the voice chat in a game. So right now I'm in a game that allows voice chat. So over here at the top left, you're gonna see this option like a microphone. You simply enable it like this. So after you enable it, you should be able to use voice chat. That's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.